Hi, I'm Michelle. I do playgroup for Dandenong Aboriginal Co-op. I do the cooking for the playgroup and Auntie Lucy's helped me today to do the cooking. And we've got two little helpers, Annalise and Kalina.
Curry chicken, 1 kilogram chicken breast, 1 onion, 4 washed potatoes, frozen mixed vegetables, king curry, coconut milk can. Prepare and cut vegetables. Potatoes into chunky cubes. Dicing onions. Prepare chicken breast on separate cutting board and surface. Cutting chicken into cubes.
Premiumbeat.com. Premiumbeat.com.
Add oil into heating pot and add diced onions and brown. Add chicken meat and stir. Add potatoes.
Premiumbeat.com.
Add king curry and chicken stock, cube to taste. Add quarter in the can of coconut milk. Allow to cook until meat is white on the outside.
Premiumbeat.com.
Add frozen vegetables once potatoes are soft. Allow to simmer until frozen vegetables are cooked. Allow to simmer with pot lid on. Stir to avoid mixture sticking and burning on the bottom. Serve with jasmine rice or cauliflower.